In front of me is Redmi 14C, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then you need to tap on this icon at the bottom left corner of a plus. Select Files section and look for your audio file by clicking on the top left corner. Selecting one of those apps or hitting Audio here and tapping on one of your files. I will go with this one. If you want to add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files. Click on your video here, or if you can't find it, select Folders and click on it here to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!